he's barely hooked too. Right in the corner. There's my... This net and this boat just don't work. Can't do anything one-handed anymore.
He's a healthy guy too, ain't he?
Oh yeah.
He stinks.
Yeah.
Sure does stink. Big old hooks.
Gotta use them.
Oh yeah.
Did he? I thought he broke my line. I thought he was gonna break my line because sometimes when these big ones get on there. Oh my God! Oh shit! I'm about to lose him.
Don't lose your net. Will
Well.
that float? Oh, it's hooked on your pole prop. You're good.
Shit! God, I don't want him in here.
He's tough. He looks like he's strong.
I gotta get him.
There you got it.
Fucking hook. Where the?
Yeah.
I don't like this right now because he's all wrapped up and I can't do anything about it. All right. Stop it!
He ain't playing, pal.
God, this fucker is an asshole. Asshole fish. Asshole!
How would you feel if you got a hook in your mouth and braided line wrapped
I
around
don't know.
your...
Pissed, I guess. God damn,
There
get
went
off the
your
line. He's
noodles.
still on the fucking line.
Oh, wow. Oh, you got it.
Okay.
You want a couple pics with him?
Yeah. Having a hard time right now.
Woo! Shine him over here for the film, for everybody to see. Yeah. He's pretty nice.
He's
Here,
an asshole.
let me get some pics with you.